Hey, hello, heartily welcome today in my studio. Dear friends, today I want to talk to you about what we are doing and how we are doing. What we do, I feel that what we do is not so much important, but how we do things, this is very, very important. In our today's life, when I observe myself and when I observe the people around me, then what I see very often is that the things we like to do, it is easy to stay in a present moment, but the things we do not like to do, we are in the future. And maybe you can observe this for yourself. When you are in the future, by doing things, then you feel not good with the things you do, and also what you are doing in that moment has not such a nice result. It feels not good. It feels no authentic, and for this is my dearest suggestion for all you creative beings and for all my lovely soul sisters and soul brothers. Whatever you do, it doesn't matter what it is, but stay in the present moment with it. If you like that task or that deed, or if you don't like it, this is my little suggestion for you today. And today is a great day. I am happy.